What if I told you that one of the easiest ways to grow a massive social media following right now is by posting simple videos of growing plants? I'm talking about AI-generated time-lapse plant growth videos. They're super satisfying, weirdly addicting to watch, and creators are getting millions of views with them. The best part? You don't need to record anything yourself, and you can make them 100% for free. Let me show you step-by-step how to do it. First, open up the master prompt. We're going to use a master prompt to brainstorm our video concepts. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt and open Claude AI. You can absolutely use ChatGPT if you want, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Claude AI. Now paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In seconds, you'll get a list filled with ideas like glowing dragon fruit, giant sunflowers, or slow-motion strawberries. Pick your favorite option from the list. Let's go with number 3. If you don't like the first batch, just type more to get another list instantly. Just like that, Claude generates an extremely detailed video prompt. Copy the video prompt, then head over to Google Flow AI or your favorite free AI video generator. Switch the generator to video mode. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. Select the Omni Flash model or equivalent video model. Paste your detailed prompt into the box and click Generate. Give it about a minute and boom! You have a stunning, ultra-realistic time-lapse video ready to go, complete with generated background music. In this tutorial, you can also continue by creating other plant growth videos. Just type dragon fruit, copy the video prompt, then paste it to Dola AI to generate another high-quality time-lapse video instantly. Look at how incredible that turnout is! You can repeat this exact process to generate dozens of viral videos a day in just minutes. If you found this guide helpful and want to catch the next viral AI trend before everyone else, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.